You need to hear this if you're a travel enthusiast. It's your favorite travel buddy wandering ways here, and I've got something super exciting lined up for you today. We're talking about the Windy City itself, Chicago. If you're planning a trip to Chicago in 2024, you've landed at the right place. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we're diving deep into the top things to do in Chicago. Stick around, and let's make sure your itinerary is packed with the ultimate experiences. This is why you need to visit Millennium Park. First up, the iconic Cloud Gate, better known as the Bean. This massive reflective sculpture is a masterpiece of public art. Walk up to it, and you'll find yourself mesmerized by the distorted reflections of the city's skyline. Make sure to snap a selfie here, it's practically a rite of passage. Just a stone's throw away, we have the serene Lurie Garden. This 5-acre wonderland is a green oasis in the middle of the bustling city. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll or just sitting back and enjoying the flora. And if you're visiting in the summer, don't miss out on the free concerts and events at the J. Pritzker Pavilion. Bring a blanket, grab some snacks, and enjoy live performances under the stars. Next, let's not forget the Crown Fountain, an interactive water feature that delights kids and adults alike. Millennium Park is where you get the best of Chicago's urban and natural beauty. I don't think people understand just how thrilling Navy Pier can be. Next up, we're heading over to Navy Pier, one of Chicago's most popular attractions. First on the list, the Ferris wheel. Standing at nearly 200 feet tall, the Centennial Wheel offers stunning views of the city and the lake. Navy Pier is home to some fantastic boat tours. Hop on a cruise and take in the breathtaking views of Chicago's skyline from the water. And let's talk about the Chicago Children's Museum. If you're traveling with kids, this place is a must visit. Feeling hungry? Navy Pier has you covered with a plethora of dining options. From casual eateries to sit-down restaurants, you can find anything from classic Chicago-style hot dogs to gourmet meals. Navy Pier also boasts a variety of entertainment options. Catch a show at the Chicago Shakespeare Theater or enjoy some live music at the outdoor stages. Lastly, don't miss the fireworks. During the summer months, Navy Pier lights up the night sky with spectacular fireworks displays every Wednesday and Saturday. You need to hear this if you're an art lover. The Art Institute of Chicago is a world-class museum that houses some of the most famous artworks on the planet. As you step inside, you're greeted by two majestic bronze lion statues that set the tone for what's to come. One of the highlights here is Grant Wood's American Gothic. You've probably seen this iconic painting in textbooks and on TV, but there's nothing like seeing it in person. The Art Institute boasts an incredible collection of sculptures, textiles, and decorative arts. From ancient artifacts to contemporary installations, there's something for everyone. Don't miss the Thorne Miniature Rooms, a collection of 68 intricately detailed models that showcase European and American interiors from the late 13th century to the 1940s. If you're a fan of Impressionism, you're in for a treat with works by Monet, Renoir, and Van Gogh. The museum also offers a variety of special exhibitions throughout the year. To sum it up, the Art Institute of Chicago is an unmissable stop on your Windy City adventure. Are you afraid of heights but crave an adrenaline rush? Welcome to the Willis Tower Skydeck, where you can conquer your fear of heights and get a bird's-eye view of the magnificent Chicago skyline. This iconic skyscraper was once the tallest building in the world, and its Skydeck offers one of the most thrilling experiences in the city. Step into the high-speed elevator and zoom up 103 floors in just 60 seconds, feeling the excitement build. Once you reach the Skydeck, you'll be greeted with panoramic views that stretch across 4 states. On a clear day, you can see up to 50 miles in every direction, capturing the vastness of the landscape. But the real highlight is the ledge. These glass boxes extend 4.3 feet out from the Skydeck and offer a vertigo-inducing view straight down to the bustling streets below. Standing on the ledge feels like floating in mid-air, and it's an adrenaline rush like no other, perfect for thrill-seekers and adventurers. The Skydeck also features interactive exhibits that delve into the rich history and innovative architecture of Chicago. If you're visiting at sunset, you're in for a special treat. The view is simply breathtaking. Watching the city transition from day to night with the skyline lighting up is truly magical. In summary, the Willis Tower Skydeck is a must-visit for anyone coming to Chicago, offering an experience you won't forget. If you're a nature lover, then you need to visit the Chicago Riverwalk, a scenic promenade that offers a perfect blend of urban life and natural beauty. This urban oasis is a testament to the city's commitment to providing green spaces amidst the bustling metropolis. Stretching along the Chicago River, this vibrant walkway is lined with restaurants, bars, and shops, making it a hotspot for both locals and tourists alike. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a leisurely meal, there's something for everyone. Start your Riverwalk adventure with a leisurely stroll. The atmosphere is perfect for a relaxing walk, allowing you to soak in the sights and sounds of the city. The pathways are beautifully landscaped and provide stunning views of the river and the city's iconic architecture. It's a photographer's dream, with countless picturesque spots. Speaking of kayaking, the Riverwalk offers plenty of opportunities for water activities. Whether you're an experienced paddler or a beginner, you'll find the perfect activity to enjoy. Rent a kayak or a paddleboard and see the city from a unique perspective. It's an adventure that combines fitness with sightseeing. Feeling peckish? The Riverwalk is home to a variety of dining options. From casual eateries to fine dining, there's a culinary experience waiting for you. Enjoy a meal with a view at one of the riverside patios, where you can watch the boats go by as you dine. It's a perfect way to unwind and enjoy the river's tranquility. The Riverwalk also offers boat tours that provide a deeper dive into the city's history and architecture. These tours are a fantastic way to learn more about Chicago's rich heritage. These guided tours are both informative and entertaining. You'll come away with a greater appreciation for the city's past and present. If you're visiting in the summer, keep an eye out for the various events and festivals that take place along the Riverwalk. These events add an extra layer of excitement and fun to your visit. In conclusion, the Chicago Riverwalk is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's charm and vibrancy. It's a place where urban life and natural beauty coexist harmoniously, offering something for everyone. Why are there not more people talking about the Magnificent Mile? Get ready to indulge in some serious retail therapy, because we're heading to one of the most famous shopping districts in the world. This iconic stretch of Michigan Avenue is a shopper's paradise, boasting over 460 stores, 275 restaurants, and 60 hotels. It's a place where you can find everything from luxury brands to everyday essentials. Start your shopping spree at the upscale boutiques and designer stores that line the avenue, from high-end brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci to popular retailers like Zara and H&M. There's something for everyone. You'll find a wide range of options to suit your style and budget, making it a perfect destination for all kinds of shoppers. But it's not just about shopping. The Magnificent Mile is also a cultural hub with a variety of attractions that cater to history buffs and art lovers alike. Visit the historic Water Tower, one of the few structures to survive the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. It's a landmark that tells a story of resilience and history. Or take a trip to the 360 Chicago Observation Deck at the John Hancock Center for another round of stunning city views that will take your breath away. When it's time to refuel, you'll be spoiled for choice with the dining options. From gourmet restaurants to casual eateries, the culinary scene here is diverse and delicious. There's something to satisfy every craving, whether you're in the mood for fine dining or a quick bite. Entertainment is also a big part of the Magnificent Mile experience, with street performers and vibrant nightlife adding to the excitement. In a nutshell, the Magnificent Mile is more than just a shopping destination. It's an experience that combines retail, culture, dining, and entertainment into one unforgettable adventure. Everybody is looking for a family-friendly adventure that won't break the bank. Head over to the Lincoln Park Zoo. This 35-acre zoo is one of the oldest in the country, and best of all, it offers free admission. The zoo is home to over 1,100 animals, representing about 200 species. From majestic big cats to playful primates, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Don't miss the Kovler Lion House, where you can get up close with the kings of the jungle. And the Regenstein Center for African Apes is a must-see, offering a fascinating look at gorillas and chimpanzees. One of the highlights of the Lincoln Park Zoo is the Pritzker Family Children's Zoo. This interactive exhibit is designed for younger visitors and features a variety of hands-on activities. If you're visiting in the warmer months, be sure to check out the zoo's beautiful gardens. The lush landscaping and vibrant flowers provide a picturesque backdrop for your visit. The Lincoln Park Zoo also offers a variety of special events throughout the year. In summary, the Lincoln Park Zoo is a must-visit for families and animal lovers. What's something people don't know about Chicago's architecture? One of the best ways to explore Chicago's architectural wonders is by taking the Chicago Architecture River Cruise. This informative and scenic boat tour takes you along the Chicago River and offers a unique perspective on the city's skyline. As you cruise along the river, you'll be treated to stunning views of some of Chicago's most iconic buildings. From the sleek, modern designs of the Trump Tower and Aqua Tower, to the historic Wrigley Building and Tribune Tower, the tour covers a wide range of architectural styles. Each building has its own story, and the knowledgeable guides provide fascinating insights into their design and history. One of the highlights of the cruise is passing under the numerous bridges that span the Chicago River. Each bridge has its own unique design and engineering, and learning about their construction is both interesting and impressive. The Chicago Architecture River Cruise also offers a glimpse into the city's urban planning and development. It's a comprehensive look at how the river and the city are intertwined. I bet you didn't know the cruise offers the perfect photo opportunities. Please like, share, and comment on your favorite part of the video. Thanks for watching.